If you're planning to sell your Google Nest Thermostat, give it to someone else, or simply switch accounts, removing your account is an important step. Many users assume signing out is enough, but with smart home devices, your account is deeply linked to control, settings, and access permissions. If it's not removed properly, the next user might run into setup issues, or you may still have control tied to your account. The process isn't complicated, but it does involve using the correct app and making sure the device is fully unlinked. Once done correctly, your thermostat will be ready for a fresh setup without any connection to your previous account. Try these. Step 1. Open the Google Home app on your phone. Step 2. Find and tap on your Nest thermostat device. Step 3. Tap the settings in the top corner. Step 4. Scroll down and select Remove Device or Remove from Home. Step 5. Confirm the removal when prompted. Step 6. Reset the thermostat from the device itself for a full fresh start.